Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we are taking these two junk Briggs & Stratton mowers or something. I don't know. They're a bunch of off-brand cheap junk.
Sears lawnmower.
Sears mower, you know, the old good friend Noah Palmer here. Check out his channel, link in the description. He seriously needs to get some content, but he's working on that. So
No, I haven't.
no, I haven't. Let's say we have an 18-horse power built Briggs & Stratton, and then we have a 16-horse twin cylinder Briggs & Stratton. They'll fit in here, and this is one bought for $100 at a Ceylon auction.
That one for 40.
Bought this one for 40 at a Swap Meet. He's tearing it apart already. I gotta hurry up and get into this. But yeah.
I lost the bolt already.
Goodness, Noah. We got another one over there. I'm pretty sure there's another one. But yeah, we do need to, I ran this engine out of oil. Totally not my fault. Yes, it is. And this one over here. So we get a couple extra horses, some rally bars, and that's it. Otherwise, the rest of this mower, junk, transmission, front axle, shot, literally. Doesn't even steers like a cotton picking tank. So yeah, actually, tank steer pretty good. Steers like the Titanic. So yeah. Yeah, I got a screwdriver. We're gonna pop her on a time lapse. We're gonna start tearing this front piece off.
Oh, never mind, I got it.
And so, yep. See, let's get the time lapse going. Okay guys, so we're back and the engine is out. It is bye-bye. We kind of found a problem. I don't know what, but there's a little big crack.
I think it's just separated.
Except the what is it? The oil pan is separated from the thing, so we'll have to figure out what that does. What that was.
The oil.
Well, I know what it does. What it did. So we might take a look at that later in the video. But for now, we have to re-wire this thing. So we are going to try to get some of this grease and grime off. Power washer, probably. I don't know where the power washer is, but we'll see you back when we get this done. Okay guys, we're over here pressure washing it. This holder, she's got to clean out the air. guys, we're back. We're gonna tear this engine out now. That's all cleaned up, so let's get that engine out and put it in here. Okay guys, well I thought my GoPro was recording, but we did get the engine out and now we're gonna be putting it in there. So yeah, 18 horse. So let's get her in that engine and get her done. Boom. I bet my life. Okay, give me them. Give me that bolt. We are back. We have got some wiring. We got the wiring all hooked up here. We got some crimps here connecting the two different wirings. We got the belt on the bottom here all hooked together. I don't know if you can see that. We do still have to do the lights. Still have to put the deck on. And we have to put the front on and some other stuff. But we're gonna see about the first start.
See if she moves.
See if she actually starts or not. This ought to be interesting. Hey, you might want to take your screwdriver. Your roo-river. Whoa, she starts right up. Where's the key? Oh, right there. Well, there we go, boys. Now she runs. Now all we gotta do is slap her back together. Oh, Noah's over there taping her up. But yeah, we'll get her back on a time lapse. We're gonna throw this front end on and get the deck put on. And we'll see you there.
got her going. It's kind of sprinkling on us, but we got the mower going. An old T-Dog. Well, he's got her going pretty. We got her going pretty good. Going. I don't know, we might have to tune it up a little bit, but I think she's going pretty good right now. It's a little wet out, so it's kind of hurting it a little bit, but hopefully tomorrow after we're done bean walking, we can mow the whole yard. So, I think that's it. That's a wrap for the video. See you next time.